If you're seeing a Grammarly error 403, don't worry. This is usually a browser or access issue, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We're going to clear Grammarly cookies, disable any conflicting extensions, and get you signed back in so Grammarly starts working again. This is a quick fix, but it can save you a lot of frustration if Grammarly suddenly stops loading or shows a permission error. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. This is the main Grammarly website, and we want to start directly from there so we can check the site data tied to your account. Once the page is open, look at the left side of the address bar and click the lock icon. This little icon opens your browser's site settings for Grammarly, and it's where you can manage cookies and stored data. After you click the lock icon, look for cookies and site data, then choose Manage on-device site data. This will show you the local data your browser has saved for Grammarly. If that data becomes corrupted or outdated, it can cause login problems and trigger the error 403 message. Inside this list, look for anything labeled grammarly.com. You may see more than one entry, and that's normal. What you want to do is click the trash icon next to each Grammarly-related entry to remove it. Once you've cleared those entries, click Done to close the window. Now refresh the page and sign back into Grammarly. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem because Grammarly gets a fresh session without any broken cookies interfering with access. If the error is gone, great, you're all set. But if Grammarly error 403 is still showing, the next thing we need to check is browser extensions. Some extensions can conflict with Grammarly, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or VPN extensions. These tools can sometimes interrupt Grammarly's connection and make the site think access is blocked. To check your extensions, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser. This opens your extension menu. From there, click Manage Extensions. Now take a look through your installed extensions and temporarily turn off anything that could interfere with websites, especially ad blockers or VPN extensions. You don't need to uninstall them right away. Just switch them off for now so we can test whether one of them is causing the issue. After disabling those extensions, go back to Grammarly and refresh the page again. Then try signing in one more time. If Grammarly starts working after that, then you know one of those extensions was the cause. You can re-enable them one at a time later to figure out which one was blocking access. If you're still getting in the error after clearing cookies and turning off extensions, you may also want to try opening Grammarly in an incognito or private window, or testing a different browser altogether. Sometimes browser-specific settings can trigger access issues, and switching browsers helps confirm whether the problem is local to your setup. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Grammarly error 403 is to clear the Grammarly cookies from your browser, refresh and sign in again, then disable any conflicting extensions like ad blockers or VPN tools, and refresh once more. In most cases, one of those steps will restore access right away. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.